If you're thinking about buying the Skinomi TechSkin for your Sony PSP 3000 because it promises military-grade protection, self-healing technology, and a virtually invisible, bubble-free install, hold on. But here's what surprised me. Despite all this hype, the reality isn't as flawless as you might expect. Most reviews rave about the toughest clear protective film, yet many users face serious frustrations with installation errors, lingering bubbles, and even reduced touch sensitivity. Today, I'm diving deep into the Skinomi TechSkin to show you where it truly shines, where it stumbles, and whether it's really worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around because the verdict might just change the way you protect your prized PSP. If you're a Sony PSP 3000 owner looking for that perfect blend of protection and sleek design, this video is for you. But if you're expecting a miracle film that repels every scratch and lasts a lifetime without a single hiccup, this review might make you reconsider. Imagine buying what seems like the Lamborghini of screen protectors for your handheld, only to realize it behaves more like a skateboard with wobbly wheels. Exciting but risky. So why does a product boasting NASA-grade material and a lifetime warranty still leave users scratching their heads? Let's uncover that mystery together. Now, before you freak out, I'm not here to bash Skinomi TechSkin into oblivion. Spoiler alert, there are plenty of good things to say. But if you're like me, you hate surprises, especially the kind that come after purchase when you realize things aren't as perfect as the product photos. This review is your roadmap to avoid buyer's remorse and make the most informed decision possible. Buckle up because we're about to zoom from laser-cut precision to wait, what's this bubble doing there? Moments. Alright, first off, what exactly is Skinomi TechSkin? The product claims to be made from military-grade thermoplastic urethane, the very material used to protect luxury cars, military aircraft, and even NASA space shuttles. Big promises, right? The TechSkin full-body protector covers every curve of the Sony PSP 3000, offering scratch, puncture, and UV resistance without sacrificing the true touch feel of the screen. It's supposed to be optically clear and self-healing, meaning minor scratches disappear over time. Plus, it boasts an easy, error-proof installation process with a liquid solution for perfect placement and bubble elimination. Sounds flawless on paper. However, the real experience isn't always the same. Installation is where most users hit their first wall. Despite the included application solution and instructions, many report frustration with stubborn bubbles that refuse to flatten out completely. The problem? Those bubbles can trap dust underneath, making the screen protector look less like an invisible shield and more like a petri dish for fingerprints and grime. And here's the kicker. Once those bubbles set, they're tough to remove without peeling the entire protector off and starting over. If you're clumsy or lack patience, good luck getting that perfect, smooth finish on your first try. But wait, don't jump to conclusions just yet. There's a silver lining. Once installed properly, the TechSkin does an excellent job at preventing scratches and minor dents. For gamers who handle their PSP 3000 on the go, that peace of mind is priceless. The self-healing polymer technology really does work. Minor scratches from keys or rough pockets fade away within a day or two, keeping the device looking newer longer. And the anti-yellowing UV protection does maintain clarity over time, a crucial feature since many other protectors turn yellow under sunlight exposure. So for long-term use, it really holds up. Still skeptical? Here's a fun fact. The product is made in the USA and comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, who doesn't love a bit of patriotism and warranty love? But fair warning, the warranty has its limits. If you mess up the application by exposing your PSP to excessive water or apply the TechSkin improperly, Skinomi will deny any damage claims. So follow those instructions carefully. Treat this protector like a newborn baby. A little care goes a long way. Let's talk about the touch experience. The manufacturer claims a true touch, glass-like feel, better than typical static cling pet protectors. From personal and community feedback, this is where the experience becomes a mixed bag. Some users note the screen remains responsive and smooth, virtually indistinguishable from bare glass. Others complain of a slight lag or diminished touch sensitivity, especially around curved edges where the film flexes. If you're the kind of gamer who relies on lightning-fast touchscreen control, this inconsistency might be a deal-breaker. And don't forget about fingerprints and smudges. The TechSkin advertises significant reductions in dust, oil, and fingerprint smudges. From what I've seen, it's true to an extent. Its oliphobic coating helps keep the screen cleaner than without protection. However, you'll still need a microfiber cloth close by because the protector isn't miracle-resistant. It's more like your screen's guilt-free partner that tries its best but can't ward off pizza grease entirely. Need a joke? Here goes. Why did the screen protector break up with the PSP? Because it found their relationship full of too many bubbles and fleeting touches. On the bright side, though, Skinomi provides detailed installation videos and support. So if you blow it the first time, at least they're there to guide you in your redemption arc. Now, who exactly is this protector designed for? If you're a Sony PSP 3000 owner who treats their device like an expensive collectible, one that must stay scratch-free and factory-fresh, the TechSkin offers some undeniable benefits. It shields your PSP from daily dings and keeps the original look intact without adding bulk or hiding the design with a bulky case. Also, if you enjoy DIY projects and don't mind investing a little time into precise installation, this product is a solid pick. Conversely, if you're impatient, new to screen protectors, or eager for a plug-and-play solution, you might want to reconsider. The learning curve is real, and the frustration from installation can sometimes overshadow the long-term protection. Plus, if your PSP usage is casual and you don't mind minor scratches over the years, this could be overkill. Let's inject another joke here. What do you call a frustrated gamer trying to apply TechSkin? A bubble-poppin' champ. Okay, maybe it needs work, but frustration is real and so are those bubbles. Another issue many overlook is pricing. While I can't pin down a fixed number today because prices fluctuate fast, the TechSkin generally sits at a premium range compared to basic pet protectors. You are paying for advanced materials and lifetime coverage, which might be worth it if you value longevity and high-grade protection. However, if you're price-sensitive, there are cheaper options that, while not as high-tech, might serve your casual protection needs adequately. Before wrapping up, one last twist. Despite its imperfections, the TechSkin's durability still outperforms many other PSP 3000 screen protectors on the market. The combination of UV resistance, self-healing, and military-grade toughness means fewer cracks, fewer scratches, and less frequent replacements. If you hate the idea of peeling off protectors every few months, this product could actually save you money in the long run. It's like choosing the tortoise over the hare. Slow but steady wins this race. Final joke time. Why did the Skinomi TechSkin throw a party? Because it knew how to keep things covered and still look crystal clear. Okay, maybe that one was a stretch, but if you've made it this far, you deserve a laugh and a clear PSP 3000. So to sum up, Skinomi TechSkin for the Sony PSP 3000 offers excellent, high-end protection with some caveats. Installation can be tricky, bubbles can be persistent, and touch sensitivity may occasionally dip. But if you stick to the instructions, apply it patiently, and appreciate lifelong durability, you get amazing scratch resistance, UV protection, and a near-invisible finish that's hard to beat. It preserves your PSP's original beauty and functionality without bulky cases or muddy colors. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift for a fellow PSP 3000 aficionado, this protector is designed for those who want serious protection and are willing to put in a little work up front. If you want to grab the best deal and check the latest price drops, look at the link in the description. Prices tend to change quickly, so don't miss out. Protect your investment, game in style, and give that PSP the shield it deserves. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.